गुना केव के जाने के लिए यही रास्ता था और कहा जाता है कि बहुत लोग इसमें जाके फंस गए थे और कई लोगों की डेथ भी हो गई। तो अभी से
Good morning guys, it's day 3 in Kodaikanal and I welcome you all in a new vlog and now we are getting ready because we have to dump our luggage in another hotel. 2 days we had a booking in this hotel और एक दिन की booking हमने दूसरे होटल में की है जो कि है Hilltop Tower. We'll show you that room as well. But first we need to check in there and then we'll be going for the third day sightseeing और कई जगह हम लोग घूमने वाले हैं। आज भी प्लान में हमने इंक्लूड करा है। आज ज़्यादा नियर बाई प्लेसेस कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। दूर वाले जो भी प्लेसेस थे आई थिंक अभी तक आपने व्लॉग में देख लिया होगा जो भी हमारे डे 2 के व्लॉग थे। सो चलो अभी वहाँ पे पहले सामान रखते हैं दूसरे होटल में और फिर वहाँ से निकलते हैं, फिर आपको और सारी प्लेसेस घुमाते हैं। सो वीडियो में बने रहना। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, चैनल पे अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना। गाइस वी हैव रीच्ड द सेकंड होटल, दिस इज हिलटॉप टावर। आई विल शो यू हाउ इज द रूम नाउ। So guys, this is the room of Hilltop. It is actually very old hotel and it is in the city, but the thing is it is very close to the lake. Well maintained. And it is well maintained also, no problem in that. And then there is a Kodaikanal International School in front. There, I can show you.
This view is nice.
But this view is nice anyways
here.
because there are flowers and all those, and even you can see there is a hill on the top. Room is just standard basic because we have to stay here for one night only. So that's it. Now we will leave from here and go to some of the sightseeing.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
The condition of the tourist place in Kodaikanal on weekend. Too much of traffic. Belgium Lake, Moir Point, Pine Forest, Guna Cave, Pillar Rock are all on the same day only.
So guys, we are at Moir Point and there is a ticket of enter. Crowd in this place. Now we'll enter sometime and you can see the crowd. Now she has taken the ticket and we'll go inside. 20 rupees for
10 rupees
per person, 10 rupees. Oh, there's a big valley. Okay, so there's a big valley view. I think if you come in morning, there will be a lot of clouds here.
guys, we are heading towards Pine Forest of Kodaikanal. हमारी ऊटी व्लॉग अगर आपने देखी होगी तो उसमें भी हमने पाइन फॉरेस्ट को दिखाया था, बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया शॉट लिया था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली लगता नहीं कि यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ शॉट ले पाएंगे, क्योंकि ट्रैफिक और भीड़ देख लो लोगों की कितनी ज़्यादा है। टुडे संडे एंड अनएक्सेप्शनल भीड़ है यहाँ पे, बट फिर भी हम जाएंगे, जब आए हैं तो जाएंगे ही। सो यहाँ भी 10 रुपीज़ है एंट्री फीस। So guys, now we are going towards Guna Cave, which is also nearby. So कैसा लगा यहाँ का व्यू आप कमेंट करके बताना। और अभी हम लोग गुना केव जाएंगे, फिर वहाँ आपको मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए बाय। So guys, we are at Guna Cave of Kodaikanal, which is quite famous and lot of public crowd is here in this weekend. We need to do a bit of walking to reach the Guna Cave. If you do a Google, you can find how it looks. So we'll be showing you ahead. So this way we have to go. So guys, we are almost nearby this Guna Cave. So roots are the main attraction of Guna Cave. They are so widely spread across the region कि आपको लगेगा आप किसी और ही दुनिया में हो। एंड लोग यहाँ पे पिक लिए जा रहे हैं, बहुत क्राउड है। ये रूट्स ऐसी फैली हुई है ना, दिख रहा होगा हर तरफ उस पेड़ की जो रूट्स है। और अभी ऊपर भी जाएंगे, फिर देखते हैं ऊपर जाके। गुना केव के जाने के लिए यही रास्ता था, और कहा जाता है कि बहुत लोग इसमें जाके फंस गए थे और कई लोगों की डेथ भी हो गई, तो अभी इसे बंद कर दिया गया है। काफ़ी पुरानी स्टोरी है। तो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम डाउन देयर इज अ बिग केव इनसाइड। एट पिलर रॉक ऑफ कोडाईकनाल, और ये भी नियर बाई है पाइन फॉरेस्ट एंड दैट केव ऑल्सो विच वी जस्ट विजिटेड। लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड चेक आउट। बड़ी सुंदर सी एलिफेंट की यहाँ पे स्कल्पचर बनी हुई है। और लेट्स शो यू द view of the pillar rock. So those are the pillar rocks, what you can see. This is Altaf's Cafe, quite famous in Kodaikanal, and nearby there's a viewpoint, that is Dolphin Viewpoint. You have to walk 1 kilometer down. There's a lane in the right, but we are not may not be going. So guys, we are at Kodaikanal Lake and we are about to ride this two-wheeler, two-seated cycle, and we'll be recording in 360. So guys, अगर आपको शाम के समय इस साइकिल के मज़े लेने हो तो आप ज़रूर इधर आ सकते हो। इस कोडाईकनाल लेक के सामने आपको कई सारे ऐसे साइकिल स्टैंड जहाँ से आप साइकिल पिकअप कर सकते हो, और 100 रुपीज़ लगते हैं एक साइकिल के। अभी हम लोग मज़े कर रहे हैं साइकिल में, फर्स्ट टाइम राइडिंग इन डबल seated cycle, and it's quite fun, and you can see the views around, and it is around 6 kilometer whole this lake, and you can take a full round. They will give this cycle for half an hour.
After the fun-filled cycle ride and Punjabi tadka ki must-have pav bhaji, we went on to explore the surrounding market of the Kodai Lake.
On hopping around the lake, you'll find a number of handmade chocolate shops, gifts and souvenirs, jewelry, and many more.
So guys, we are at Park Astoria. I just started recording because I like this place very much, and it is very much recommended if you are nearby Kodaikanal Lake, and if you want to have lunch, dinner, anything, you can definitely check out this place. This has got a lot of good options, non-veg, veg, everything is available. We were looking for a good lunch, so we came in noon as well, and also at night we are having dinner. The rate is also very good. Compared to the other hotels nearby, it is better. So this is how it looks.
So this is chili chicken, semi gravy, and veg noodles. What we have ordered today at dinner, because every day we were having something like chicken and chapatis and all. So guys, this is the Hilltop Inn non-vegetarian restaurant, and that is our hotel. This restaurant is okay. It is not so recommended because it is quite pricey and quantity is very less. So I would recommend to go to that other one, Astoria. Now we are returning the hotel, Hilltop Tower, this one.
Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Day 4.
It was the last day of Kodaikanal tour, and to start the pleasant day, we got some complimentary breakfast at our hotel premises. We have bread toast, dosas, vada, idlis, everything is there. Juice as well. After our breakfast, we left for Kurinji Andava temple. So this is the village view from the back of this temple. Village view of Kodaikanal.
So guys, we are at Cocos Walk, which is very near to the city of Kodaikanal. There is a wonderful view from here, and definitely it is recommended to come. I'll show the views from here. यहाँ अगर आप वॉकिंग कर सकते हो, दिस इज़ अ गुड प्लेस टू टेक अ वॉक विद दिस breathtaking natural views of the clouds and the mountain in the back side. और बादल कितने नज़दीक हैं, जस्ट सी हाउ क्लोज इट इज़। और वहाँ पर तो ऑलरेडी क्लाउड्स आर देयर।
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
So from there you can see the breathtaking views of the landscape, and people are already watching from the top. We'll go there and check out the views from there.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
So guys, you can see there is a Bryant Park as well, which is very big park with a lake inside. If you are coming to Kodaikanal, you can also visit this place. We are not gonna visit because we have less time and we are about to leave from Kodaikanal now. But just to show you that this is the gate of the Kodaikanal park, that is Bryant Park. So you must visit place if you are coming to Kodaikanal, and it is just one side of the Kodaikanal lake.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are leaving from here, Hilltop Tower Hotel, Kodaikanal at 12, and let's see how much time it will take to reach Bangalore. Bike is completely loaded and we are also ready.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's nearby 12. We have reached home and I have opened luggage, everything. Almost it took 11 hours to reach the home, but the runtime hour, if you see, is not in this trip to, if you see, 4:28 minute, which is 7 hour 15 minute, only 7 hour 15 minute, and 475 kilometers from Kodaikanal to Bangalore is done now, and average speed is 67 km/h. I hope you must have enjoyed टुडेज़ व्लॉग। और जितनी भी जगह हमने कवर कर पाई सब कुछ हमने कवर किया है और आपको वीडियो में दिखाया है। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना हमारे चैनल को अगर चैनल पर नए हो। और बहुत ही जल्दी एक नई वीडियो के साथ फिर से मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, कीप राइडिंग, कीप ट्रैवलिंग, बाय बाय।